Oh, hey. Listen, it's been an insanely busy few weeks getting this camper ready to go. It's Monday, January 2nd. We're leaving in 2 days. So this is going to be a short video. Just check out what we've been up to the last couple weeks. So that's it. As you can see, we've been very busy. We've only got 2 days left. We've still got a lot more to do. Say hi, Angie.
Hey.
So watch out for the next video, because the next time you see us, we will officially be on the road. See you soon.